Now that we've sliced off and washed both halves of the onion, we're going to set that one aside. And we're going to make our cut going down. First, we're not really fond of this cut, but it's the one that's been taught and used all the time. You can see how the cut's going in. I just put it down like that so you can see it. So you can see how it's kind of split the long ends on the side. And then what you do is you're going to make cuts not to the full core, but right down like this. Start making those cuts. Not all the way down to the core. We're going to make it small cuts so we can start dicing. And one more. There we go. Once you got it there, now you just make small cuts right here. You can see all that diced onion right there. You can just see it slides right off. Right off. Hey, that's not fair.